Guess what I had waiting for me when I got home? A Izzy and Liv brown sugar box. And I'm going to open it with you guys. So let's get into this video. So yes, your girl has a brown sugar box. Can y'all believe it? Now let me say this. This is not a subscription box. This is a special edition Mother's Day box. I got one for my sister and I said, might as well grab me one too. So let's see what we have. If you're not familiar, Izzy and Liv is a black owned company and they have a subscription box, which is the brown sugar box, and I believe it's like $45 a month plus shipping, and you get up to five, if not more, self-care beauty items, and they also usually give you a free t-shirt. I used to be subscribed to the brown sugar box, but you guys know I canceled all of my subscriptions. But I thought this would be a great Mother's Day gift. So like I said, I got one for my sister and I also grabbed me one. So this one is mine, and let's see what we have here. So this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, so we do have their Izzy and Liv brown sugar box magazine, and this one is actually from July 2020. So I don't think that the items that I received in my box, let me just double check. I don't think that the items that I received in my box is in this magazine. Typically they would put it in there. No, it's not. This just, I guess they just want to show you, you know, give you something. So that's cute. So first things first, we have this Hello Gorgeous ceramic jewelry dish. Let me open that up so y'all can see that. Okay, this is really cute. And I actually was just saying I need like a new jewelry dish or something. So let me take it out here. And that is what it's looking like. That's cute. I like that. I was just saying, like, I need a new jewelry dish because I wear a lot of stud earrings. And so this would be great for that. I might keep it in here because I do throw earrings on when I'm putting on my makeup. Sometimes I might forget some earrings, so I can keep some extra ones in here. So after I do my makeup, if I need some earrings or something, I can have it for that. Next, I have the Izzy and Liv Crystal Glow Set of 5 Chocolate Under Eye Mask. Detox and detoxify for bright and re-energized under eye area. So you get 5, and this is what they're looking like. They're just eye masks. You pop them on under your eye. So that's cute. Nice, something to have. Throw that in with my my other mask that I have. And then I have this Izzy and Liz Slay Sis Everyday Lip Palette. And it is all the way closed. We're gonna open this up real quick. Oh, okay, these are different colors, and it has a little brush. It comes with the mirror, so those are the colors that you get. Those are different. I like these reds. So that's different, something to play with. I wonder if I could use these for other things. I don't know. That's different. Did it come in a box? I thought I saw it in a box. Oh, maybe. I thought I saw this in a box, maybe. I know it was wrapped in the plastic. Okay. So then we have this Izzy and Liv hair turban. So that's cute, good for a little vacation situation. I'm not gonna take that out because then I'm gonna have to try to fold it. But y'all know what hair turbans look like. And we have this Izzy and Liv ginger peach whipped body butter. I do want to smell this. They had 2 options. I'm not really a big peach person, but I think the other one was like, you, come on now, eucalyptus and mint. So I was like, ooh, this actually smells really, really good. A nice fruity scent, great for the summertime. And surprisingly, I do like the, ooh, and it feels good too. And surprisingly, I do like this scent. I was surprised because I'm not a big peach, but it is made with shea butter, pumpkin seed butter, mango butter, which is what I'm smelling, coconut butter, avocado oil, and essential oil blend. So that's nice. I like butters. I like having butters. So that's cute. And then the last thing is this what is this called? Like a moo-moo. I don't want to call it a moo-moo, but it is like this long, like around the house caftan or gown. Oh, okay. I don't know if this is gonna be long on me, but that is that. And it has this design. This is great if you're chilling around the house. I think these are great for in the summer months. Or you can even take this to the beach if you want, like to throw it on over your beach, your swimsuit, even though the material, I don't know how, it might be a little warm it won't breathe for the beach, but if it's long, okay, it's long, it's really long, so it is going all the way down, so we just gonna hope that it's wide enough. It looked like it is. So yeah, so that is everything that I got in this Mother's Day edition. Is in Live Brown Sugar Box. Real cute. I think this is cute for a mom, especially like a younger mom, or I don't know, a mom, you know. All these little items, I enjoy it. Something, you know, we always on Mother's Day, the theme is relax. So I thought that this was nice. So I can't wait to give it to my sister. Uh-oh. She got a little tear in, not a tear, but like a snag. I can't wait to show it to my sister. I know she's gonna love it because I already showed it to her before I bought it to see if she would like it. That's how we give gifts. But that is it. I just wanted to show this to you guys. I hope that by the time this video go up, Mother's Day would have passed. So I want to wish all of my subscribers who are mothers a very happy Mother's Day. If you're a mother-to-be, a stepmom, a step-in mom, whatever mother figure, with God, mom, don't matter. If you are like a mother to someone, happy Mother's Day from me to you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.